The ultimate ShadeStation review. Tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're on the hunt for stylish glasses or some glasses online, most people get this wrong by ignoring lens quality or fit. The surprising truth about ShadeStation is that it offers a wide selection of eyewear, often at discounted prices, but buying right requires a bit of care. First, examine product listings carefully. ShadeStation carries glasses from budget-friendly to premium designs. You won't believe the variety: reading glasses, blue light blockers, prescription-ready frames, sunglasses and accessories. Always check lens specs and frame size before purchasing. Next, confirm your prescription details. Most people get this wrong by inputting estimates, leading to poor vision or unusable glasses. Have your accurate prescription handy. Sphere, cylinder, axis and ShadeStation will generate lenses for you. Review, reviews and return policy. The surprising truth is that customer feedback often gives the clearest view of comfort and quality. Some users praise affordable frames and fast shipping, others mention delays or lens clarity issues. ShadeStation allows returns if items meet eligibility criteria, adding a layer of safety to your purchase. Finally, fit and adjust with care. You won't believe how much difference a proper adjustment makes. A snug but comfortable fit ensures longevity and comfort while avoiding loose frames or pressure points. In conclusion, ShadeStation can take you from 0 to pro in online eyewear shopping. By checking lens specs, using accurate prescriptions, reading feedback, and ensuring proper fit, you can get functional, stylish glasses at a great value. Smart shopping, especially for something you wear daily, always starts with good information.